Is it burnt ends or candy ribs? We're gonna find out. Yeah. Alright, so what I've done with the boneless ribs, I've sliced them like that. What I'll do, can you see that? I'll stick them in here to get started. We'll be right back. Alright, look at them beauties. Alright, so Uncle Steve Shake, the original. The link's down below, y'all. I don't get a commission or anything off of that. Y'all could go down there and check out his flavors. Then we got some candy bacon rub. We got some Sweet Baby Ray's. We got some brown sugar, and we got some honey. That will create poor man's burnt ends. Alright, let me show you how I get these in. Let's zoom in on this tray. You've seen everything else. Let's do it. Alright, at this point, I'll take this candy bacon rub. I really like this, y'all. I don't know, there's something about it. And what we're gonna do, okay, so this was cooked a couple days ago with Uncle Steve's the original, and this is leftovers. I try to always make enough for leftovers, and so of course I sliced it up. You can do this with any meat. Alright, at this point, I'm taking that brown sugar and just setting it on there. If you're smoking some ribs, put you some brown sugar and honey and wrap it for about an hour. Now what's going to happen here, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and stir these up. I want to get both sides. We're going to get all that goodness in there. Like I said, you can do this with any meat you create. Alright, let's get that in there. Get it all mixed up. These are going to be freaking awesome, y'all. They really are. Alright, I'm fixing to go turn on the zgrills pellet smoker. I might put a little bit more right here and let the smoky part go, and then we'll get it on and I'll show you what we got. The ending is going to be freaking awesome. Like I said, you can do this with any meat you have. Alright, see you at the zgrills. Alright, we're at over 200 degrees. We're going to go in here, and what we're going to do is every so often we're going to turn these because they're already cooked. We're just getting this goodness down into them. And notice a bunch of the brown sugar sitting waiting on this thing to heat up is already disappearing. It's melted into it. Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, these are done. Let's check them out. Here's our finale. Alright, so they've been soaking in what you saw. This is awesome. Anyway, I want to take this one right here. Let's cut it up. This is candy, y'all. Candy. Yeah. That's candy for sure. Use any kind of meat you want, but do this. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya.